welcome to the vlog. You've been here all along.
Yeah.
We just got
Not
home.
supposed to be bone jacking a horse, man. That theme song.
Oh, okay. Sorry, Bojack.
Not supposed to be animals were.
Alright. Somebody's a little jacked up. Alright. It's Saturday evening and it's 7 o'clock and we just got back from shopping. And we're supposed to be having breakfast for dinner tonight. So, of course they didn't have any pancakes or waffles that were vegan. So I'm going to have to make them from scratch. So we're probably not going to be eating for a while. But I wanted to show you everything that we got today. Because we had some fun. We went to... Where did we go? Barnes & Noble. Walmart, aka Walfart, and ShopRite. So, Barnes & Noble, the girls got some books, but Sean got a new Pokemon Lego set. He got Charizard and Jolteon, Ultimate Battle. So, he was happy about that. He pointed it out to me that he wanted it, so I got it. Okay. And that was it for Barnes & Noble for me. Walmart. I think Walmart's where we did the bulk of the shopping today. So Walmart had some good deals. We got frozen veg, peas and carrots, green beans. This one was actually from ShopRite, but these are the beer battered potato slices that I like. And they just so happened to have them on sale for $2.99, so I got those at ShopRite. But the rest of this came from Walmart first. My favorite plant-based chicken nuggets for like $3.50. You can't beat it. I got some local lettuce because I don't think they're pooping in the fields around here. That's the assumption that I'm going under. That these aren't grown in the fields. These are greenhouse grown. So I'm hoping they're not pooping in the greenhouse. It says no need to wash, but I will be washing. But this I feel like is okay to eat, you know, to avoid the diarrhea parasite, because it's grown in a greenhouse. It's probably hydroponic. Yeah. I got that because it was good last time. I got my favorite organic tofu. They have the best price at Walmart. They still had the Beyond Beef bricks on clearance, so I got another one of those. I got the Walmart Better Goods brand of the artichoke bruschetta. I used to get this at Hannaford's all the time, and it was $4. It was $3. It was under $3 at Walmart. So I love that, especially like on a pizza, like an artichoke pizza, a white pizza without any dairy. I got a So Delicious coconut chocolate yogurt, some sweet and creamy oatmeal creamer, some Liquid Death Scream soda. You see what they did there? I do. The funny thing is, I didn't when I first saw it. I was like, oh, they put fun names on all of these. But I didn't notice the S because it was small. And I was like, but it just says cream soda. And then I saw the S and I was like, oh, it's cream soda. I'm not the sharpest tool in the shed. What can I say? Sweet and creamy oatmeal creamer. This was on sale, so I grabbed one of those. I haven't seen these before. Sprague Cannery has a plant-based hot dog chili, which looks really good with TVP. And they also have a plant-based white bean chili. They had another one too, but I just wanted to try these two. Wow, established in 1925. They've been around a while. I also happened to see this vegan ramen, mushroom, and fried tofu. This looks really good. A lot of the times the tofu isn't vegan because they either use like a animal broth, or they use like a fish sauce in there, or like an anchovy. But this one says it's vegan. Good. Some cheap salsa that's pretty good. We've been buying this one lately and we're not complaining. We got some Primal Kitchen creamy cashew Alfredo made with avocado oil and cashews. This looks nice. Also vegan. And some Primal Kitchen cashew kale pesto Alfredo. Also made with avocado oil and vegan. My olive oil is not coming till tomorrow, so I grabbed this one, and it looks pretty good actually. It's single origin, extra virgin. It's premium extra virgin, and it's first cold press. So you can actually scan the QR code on here and track where it's from exactly. Scan here to see my full journey from the orchard to you. I like that. I like to know where my food's coming from. We got some fresh broccoli. We got Bisquick because I have to make homemade pancakes. And I like that it's already got the baking powder in there. Oatmeal Square cereal for Mark. We've got some Morningstar sausage patties. Damn, when did the price of those go up so much? They used to be super cheap. Now, they're expensive. They changed the packaging and they became expensive. Teddy Peanut Butter. I love this company because they support people with special abilities. And I like that. We got some Forager yogurt. Sean insisted on Pokemon Goldfish. I got my vegan yellow rice. The pepperoni, the vegan pepperoni was on sale, 2 for $6 I think it was, or was it? Yeah, it was like 2 for $6, so it's pretty good. They also had the vegan basil pesto on sale for $2.99 each, so I got 2 of those. Italian flour, Italian pastas. And I tried to bring my crochet to work in the car today because we have our market tomorrow and I only made 1 leaf. So I really have to put in the work tonight, which sucks because I'm like ready to fall asleep right now. And I still have to finish packing up the stuff for tomorrow. I didn't go through the crates because even though the weather report has cleared up a bit, I think we're still only bringing 2 tables instead of 3, and I have to cut down the crates to 3 crates out of 4. So I have to take out the stuff that doesn't go in there, like the other tablecloth and the other stuff. I don't know what it is. When I'll know it when I see it. And can you tell I'm exhausted right now? Well, I've got to put this away. I've got to make my pancakes / waffles. We're also going to have some tofu scramble because it's breakfast for dinner tonight. Sean says it, and it will be. And yeah, I got to get busy.
Hello. It's Monday.
How was your weekend?
It was good. Very busy, but good.
We had our show, not a show.
Corn festival.
Corn Fest, baby.
It went really
saw
well.
a whole lot of corn.
Yeah, it went really well until the weather. We had to make an emergency pack up and get out of there.
I never fought with the wind so hard as we did yesterday.
It was unfortunate because like it was going really well.
It was going really well.
It was going great. So even though we had to leave early, which we'll talk about more in our crochet video tomorrow, even though we had to leave early, I still had a fantastic time.
Me too.
I had a great time. So that was nice too because I wasn't sure that we were going to have a good day.
Right.
But the people
weather changed on a dime.
The people really came out and supported the festival, so
yeah,
it was fun.
Do you think the weathermen lied so that the...
Is this like on Curb where he thought that the weather guy was lying so that he could have the golf course to himself? Wasn't that on Curb Your Enthusiasm?
Probably. It sounds like a Larry David thing.
I'm pretty sure.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't think so. I don't think they were lying. I think the weather's just unpredictable sometimes.
Alright, well, we don't have any shout-outs,
But
unfortunately.
we do have a little mail.
We have a piece of mail from the post office box.
Yes, I did just go across the
Nice.
top. So you don't have to watch me struggle.
Look
But
at
we have our letter openers
Yeah.
now from Linda.
Look at the little doggy sticker on
Look
the
how
back.
cute the stamp is. I love it.
Oh, it's a Goldie.
This is from Alyssa Myers. Alyssa. Let's see what we got.
Don't show any addresses.
I'm not. Wait! It's
Oh!
Bobby! Bobby, you're on the card! That's you! He just looked at me
Bowie?
like, Bowie, you're on the card! This is so precious!
Oh my god.
This is such a good picture of him, too.
Yes.
Oh my god, Alyssa! Bobby, it's you!
That's amazing.
Oh my god. Okay, so it says, Maddie, just wanted to say thank you for your videos. Your recent big brother on July 13th gave me a shout out as well as my new pup, Missy. Oh, wait, yes. Okay, I thought your name sounded familiar. Oh, seriously, I hope your pup is settling in nicely. That's so
Yes.
exciting. Thank you for all your hard work. Love watching your family. Alyssa and Missy. And the pic of Bowie on the card was the best pic I was able to find. This is a great picture of him.
Oh, it is.
This is so nice. Thank you so much,
He
Alyssa
looks so
and
sweet
Missy.
and innocent in that picture.
Oh, I'm glad you were a house guest of the day. That's so
Yes.
fun.
Oh,
Very, very cool. We're gonna have to hang this up. I mean, we hang up all the cards, but
I feel like framing it.
Oh,
it's
shut up, Spot.
Bobby.
It's Bubby.
Bowie. Thank you so much.
Someone's raging.
Yeah, that's
Thank
for sure.
you so much. We love it.
Oh, we're gonna have to show this to Dad when he comes back in here.
I know.
Very, very cute.
We're about to put in a yarn order.
I mean, Hobby Shoppy is having a little sale, so
I mean, you gotta buy stuff when it's on sale.
we've been meaning to make an order anyway, so
It's a business expense.
it is. But
I mean,
yeah.
this yarn's not for us.
Well, we're gonna use it, but we're gonna sell the plushies that are made
Right.
with it.
Right.
But yeah, I'm excited to
Do you feel like a breeder
a breeder. No,
of plushies?
no, but I'm excited to
You feel like a god?
make some more new stuff. I do not feel like a god. No,
What about a goddess?
I feel like a Geppetto type from
Oh, okay.
from Pinocchio.
Yeah, I can see that.
That kind of vibe, or
Okay.
like a Drosselmeyer,
Hair Drosselmeyer?
Lady Drosselmeyer.
Yes.
No, you find
So
it. Nice
that's the vibe that I'm rocking.
Okay.
The kooky aunt.
What is the female version of this? Is it Mr.?
What?
Yeah, Mr.
Air?
Mix.
In
Air
German.
Drosselmeyer?
Yeah.
Fraulein?
Yeah, I get yes.
Right? Frau Bluka?
Or Damen.
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm not up on my German.
Me neither.
One of my friends actually speaks like a decent amount of German.
Oh yeah.
She did some like Duolingo before a trip,
Oh okay.
but she like stuck with it.
Did she like Germany?
She loved Germany. It was beautiful.
I mean, it's all meat and butter.
Oh, I don't know about the food, but
Okay.
like the views and everything.
Were the people to her liking?
I don't know. I mean, I guess it seemed like,
I mean, they seem like a friendly bunch.
yeah, I guess.
I think Berlin is a great city for being vegan too.
Is it?
I think so. It's very vegan friendly,
Good to know.
which is surprising considering all of their food is mostly meat, meat, meat.
Well, maybe they wanted to have some meat alternatives.
I guess so.
Yeah. But, okay, interesting.
Yeah,
Let us know if you've been to Germany.
Yeah.
Let us know in the comments.
I have not.
I have not either. But thank you all so much for watching. We're going to call it a vlog because I gotta go. We gotta
I
get it
have
together and I gotta go.
dig out of my piles of yarn.
Yeah. You might wanna.
Yeah, I got a lot of stuff to do before tomorrow. I love that.
Thank you again to Alyssa and Missy.
Thank you, Alyssa and Missy.
Yes, thank you so much.
That's a good boy turkey face.
That is a good boy turkey face. He's definitely waiting for some food in that picture.
Yes,
But-
probably pizza.
Probably.
Pizza crust.
Thank you all so much for watching. We hope you have a wonderful week. And we'll see you soon. If you want to hear more about our market or our corn festival, we'll be posting that tomorrow. And
Yes.
our next vlog will be on Thursday. So,
All right.
thanks again. And until next time,
Much
love.
Bye, everybody.